friends, welcome to our channel SAP HANA Database Administration. So in this today's video we are going to see the background execution of HDB start and HDB stop command. So we know how to stop and start the HANA database or the tenant database from the HANA Studio from the OS level, okay, by using the statements. So we know how to run that command, but when we run that command there is a background execution runs for stopping the processes or for starting the processes. So in today's video we will see that process. I hope this information will help you. So let's start. So I just draw one diagram in short, which will we are going to refer. So boot process, actually the HDB start or stop is divided in under two sequences. That is one standard sequence and another is for the HANA database, particularly for the HANA database sequence. So under standard sequence, what happen exactly when we execute the command? For example, if I executed command HDB start, so once I execute that command will call the script which is under the etc init.d file. So under this folder there is a file that is a SAP init. So we will see this file at the OS level. So we can see here now we are under the same folder, and the file is there, SAP init. So this script get execute first. So once this script got execute, then this script called SAP start service, and the second is the SAP host agent. Two processes get started first with the help of this script. So we all know about the SAP start service because this is the one of the important service or the process which require to start the all SAP application. So for this we also called SAP start SRV. So this is the important one. So once this service is started, then it called the HANA database processes. So first it called the daemon. So once it called the daemon, what daemon will do? So daemon will start the core processes, another remaining the core processes, like, but how we will know which processes we have to start? So by referring his ini file, daemon.ini file. So by referring that file, he will start the remaining core processes. So once that core process is started, then the database is available for the access. So this is basically the process which run in the background when we execute the command HDB start. But in case of stop, the sequence will be reverse, like all the core processes will get stopped first, then the daemon will get stopped, but SAP start service will remain running. It won't stop. Again when we will run command, then that service will call the again daemon, and then daemon will call the remaining core processes. So this is basically the sequence which runs in the background when we execute the command for stopping and starting the HANA database. If you find this information is helpful, please share with your friend and like this video, and please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.